Guys, you don't want to miss this house. This one will knock your socks off.
Affordable luxury. Newer, move-in ready home, priced under $300. Spacious layout with luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. Open concept kitchen. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large island. Private and peaceful. Large wooded lot with a screened-in back porch. A spacious master suite featuring a massive closet and plenty of comfort. Amazing amenities. Resort-style pool. Fitness center. Paved walking paths. A 35-acre lake with a fishing dock. Dog park. Playgrounds. And much more. Want to know more? Message me for a full walkthrough video or additional information.